Renal-X, as the name indicates, renal extension. So 1 out of 10 in the world, have kidney problem. But kidney being a very robust organ, we don't get to realize that until it has reached the end stage. Hi friends, my name is Shyam Vasudeva Rao and I am from Bangalore. It's a pleasure to connect to you through Soil Cup and share a bit of myself and what the work I do. I sincerely thank Soil Cup and team. I would like to share with you some of my experience. I'm an engineer by training, an electronics engineer, and later did my master's and PhD in the area of high performance computing from the Indian Institute of Science. I have been throughout championing the cause of Make in India and also develop products and technologies which are socially relevant. My passion is to see how we can make things in India and not just for India but also take it to the rest of the world. With this, I would like to say that the first innovation which I did was in the late 80s. This was during the time when there were a lot of revolution happening in the computer world. Personal computers were just coming up. So we had something called as PC-80, XTs and all that. At that time, all of a sudden somebody came up with the news that there is something called as a computer virus and it can destroy your entire data. So this was really disappointing and also shocking. So I decided, let us do something for this and see how we can beat that virus. For us is a very different type of a company which has been to the area of ophthalmology. We wanted to see how we can shift the paradigm of instead of patient go to the hospital, can the hospital go to the patient? Today we are having the non-communicable diseases like diabetes, hypertension, COPD. These are some of the ones which are the bigger burden. And the problem with these non-communicable diseases is that it has to be managed. It has to be detected at an early stage. For example, 200 million people in India need some or the other form of an eye care. And only 10% of them are in a position to get this. This is because there are problems of affordability, accessibility, availability of the right resources and the appropriate technology. To overcome this, we need totally a new type of a system, a new type of maybe medical devices. We need to adapt technologies like the internet and do tele-nephrology, tele-ophthalmology, tele-pathology, telemedicine. So with that in mind, we made a device called Trinetra. Limitless opportunities to innovate. When you are thinking about a different paradigm, when you are thinking about something which costs 1,000 rupees, you want to make it at 100 rupees, which needs somebody to travel hundreds of kilometers to basically get them to get the access to the specialists at their doorstep. So all these, was something which I really enjoyed, and we made this product Trinetra, and then we have now taken it not only in India, we have also taken it to the rest of the world. We have today in more than 26 countries, and some 3 years ago we started our US marketing office, and we also sell our products there in the US. So this was a very nice achievement, I would say. But then that didn't stop there. We wanted to do something much more than that, and I happen to realize that the diabetes can not only cause the problem of blindness, it can also damage the kidney. And that was my next big innovation. And that is where I started another company called Renalex, that is renal extension. The concept here is not just screening, but also help people with disease management of chronic kidney disease and do the treatment. And for treatment you need special type of a device, which is basically a dialysis machine. Renalex, as the name indicates, renal extension. So 1 out of 10 in the world, have kidney problem. But kidney being a very robust organ, we don't get to realize that until it has reached the end stage. But that is, in another sense, a very unfortunate thing, because this will be irreversible, and at that stage either a person has to get a transplant or go on dialysis. So this is the most unfortunate thing. That is where we said, is it possible to detect this problem of chronic kidney disease at the early stage? And then if we can detect, can we provide a support, a mobile app, a companion app as I would say, which can actually tell them what are the do's, don'ts, give them alerts, when they have to go for the next checkup, where can they go for the next checkup, things like that, which will help them to manage their disease at an early stage, where it is otherwise impossible because it is highly asymptomatic. And those who end up at the end stage, that is stage 5 of chronic kidney disease, we make a dialysis machine, which is something which can be put in the semi-urban and rural areas. So our idea is to reach every PHC with a dialysis machine. And today we have such a device, RXT17, which can be taken to the rural areas. And I call these innovations as socially relevant innovations and the ones which are of need of the hour. And I spend a lot of time in not only making my own companies and devices, I also mentor a whole lot of people, youngsters, who are actually interested in doing something in this space. All that they need is some sharing of some experience and also guidance, and getting them the right connect with the medical fraternity, with the hospitals, and vice versa, the doctors, getting a connect to the engineers and development centers where their dreams can be realized. So this is it's become my main profession now, and I would like to say that we are today in a position to do something here in India for Indians, and then we can take it to the rest of the world and get this monetized in a big way, and also have a social impact. Yes, sometimes we feel that we are doing too much, or I am doing too much, and a lot of people ask me that how do you manage your stress? Well, stress is a very relative thing. It's all in your mind. If you are doing something which you like, definitely it is not stressful. You can see the sportsmen, they really train themselves, they really put a lot of stress or practice, I would say, and they are doing 8-10 hours of practice every day with a lot of physical activity, right? So that is not stressful for them. If they don't do that, then they feel very bad, or they may feel very weak, I would say. So likewise, for people like me who are innovators and engineers, we would love to keep on working on newer ideas and see how we can make a difference to everyone's life. So this is how I manage my stress, I would say. Thank you.